What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some Bluetooth headphones that were sent out to me for a review by Acekool. So big shout out to them for providing these for a review. So these are the Acekool aptX Bluetooth headphones. Mini in-ear Bluetooth 4.1 stereo magnetic wireless earbuds. Snug fit for sports with built-in mic, BT-519 earphone, 7 hours playback, CVC 6.0 noise cancellation microphone. You can pick these up at Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you. $21.96, but I'll also have a discount code for 15% off, all down in the description if you want to pick them up. So let's take a quick look at some of the features and details about these headphones. Let's get to it here. So some of the features and details. Let's get to it here. Snug fit for various ears and occasions. No audio delay while watching TV or PC gaming. These also include the CVC 6.0 noise cancellation. They are IPX5 water resistant and also Bluetooth 4.1 and universal connective. So if you want to check out some of these features and details, head on over to the link that I'll leave there, and you can read over all of them. The specs and details on it right there. So here's the packaging that it comes in. As you can see, Acekool. Pretty cool name. Let's check them out. See what we got here. Unboxing night. Let's get this cracked open here. A couple of pieces of tape here. And I did say I was going to invest in me a good unboxing knife, and I still have it. Let's go ahead and go. There it is. There we go. All right, so let's take a look at it here. Simple presentation. All right, so get that back there. So we get a brochure here. Acekool BT-519 Bluetooth headphones. So these are probably your, just telling you content, telling you everything about them. If you need that, we got that in the packaging. See what else we got here. Let's get this open. All right, so these are your different ear tips here. As you can see, you got different ones here. So you got this style right here, like the wing tips, and then you got this style here, and I just dropped one of them. All right, you got this style. So you do also have your micro USB to USB Type A. So you get that in there, and then here are the actual earbuds, headphones here. Let's take a look at those. All right, so these are the wireless Bluetooth headphones here. Let's get them untangled here. All right, so they got a nice long cord in between them right here to keep them connected. So here they are. As you can see, very nice looking. Got some tips on them. You do have the inline mic and controller right here for pausing, taking phone calls and things of that nature. And let me try them in my ears right quick, see what they look like, what they feel like. So yeah, I have them in my ears now, and they're blocking all the outside noise, that's for sure. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video, and I'll come back within this video after I use them for a little while, and then I'll give you tell you what I think about them. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so pairing is simple as pressing and holding the power button right there. As you see, it comes up on my iPhone XS Max as that. And then just press that. and we'll watch it pair. So they are connected now, and I'm going to go ahead and check them out and let you know what they sound like. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I've used these since yesterday. It's been about 24 hours. I had a chance to take them to work with me and use them. I watched them, watched some videos, played some music, and made some phone calls. And everything was great, man. The audio, as far as the comfort on these, let's talk about that. They were very comfortable. I didn't have a problem with them staying in my ears. Didn't feel like they were going to fall out. They weren't uncomfortable, just felt very natural in the ears. They do have some nice noise cancellation. Noise cancellation. Get it right, Will. So when you put these in, you definitely can't hear anything on the outside. For me, I like to be able to hear things on the outside, but if you like that, then these offer that very well. You do have different tips, like I showed you just earlier in the video, that you can apply to this. As far as the music, they have some good bass. They're just overall great sound, not overpowering bass, not overpowering highs or lows, just a good, decent sound on these. So I really like them. The controls here, as far as phone calls, I made a few phone calls. I asked my wife how to sound. She thought I was talking just on my regular, using a headpiece on the phone. So I told her I was using these. She said, well, if you wouldn't have told me, I wouldn't have known. So phone calls are pretty great. Made some more phone calls. People didn't seem like they were having problems hearing me. Everything works here. Pause, skip, activate Siri. You can do, well, I didn't mean to do that. But you can do all of that and no problem there. This is one thing I didn't show you yesterday. This is where you charge it right there, micro USB charging port. And yeah, and these are also magnetized here. So when you throw them in your bag, just stick them together like that and keep it moving. But yeah, these are nice. These are the Acekool wireless headphones. The link will be down in the description if you guys want to pick them up. Also, we'll include the discount code as well. So catch y'all in the next video. We're out of here.